Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my ML Class W164 chassis Mercedes Benz, and I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to replace the gas strut on the rear tailgate. So to do this job you are going to need to support the weight of the rear tailgate. As you can see, I've just got my ladder with a container of truck wash there supporting the tailgate. You'll need a small screwdriver to release the clips on the ends of the struts. So to unclip the ends of the strut, it's a matter of getting a small screwdriver, putting it under like that, and simply pulling that clip. You can see how easily with that circlipped out, the strut popped off. And then it's the same on the other end. You simply do the same thing at the top, where you release that circlip. All right, so to reassemble the new strut, or to put your old strut back on, the first thing you want to do is make sure these circlips are actually pushed into position on the two end positions of the strut, and then with it inserted in the correct position, you simply put it on the end and give it a push, and it should snap into position. And if you give it a pull back, you can see that is locked in and it won't come off. So with the top in position, it's then just a matter of snapping the bottom one into position. And you can see it just snaps into position just like that. So obviously the final thing to do is to remove the brace that you put in to support the rear door. And then to test the operation of the rear door. So there you go folks, there's how to quickly and simply replace that rear strut which holds up the rear tailgate on your ML Class W164 Mercedes Benz. This video was actually at the request of one of my subscribers, and if you check out my account you'll see that there's a playlist with many other repair videos and servicing videos on this vehicle there, ML Class W164 chassis. Anyway, if you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time.